In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bookmark to Grafana. By the end, you'll know exactly how to mark important places in Grafana so you can get back to them in a click, saving time and keeping your workflow focused. First, open your browser and head to Grafana's website, then sign in to your account. Make sure you're in the right organization or workspace if you have access to more than one. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main interface. Take a look at the left-hand sidebar. This is your primary navigation in Grafana, and it includes items like dashboards, data sources, alerts, and other tools, depending on what's enabled in your instance. Each item in that menu is something you might visit often, and bookmarking helps you keep the most important ones at your fingertips. Next, hover your mouse over the items in the sidebar. Beside each name, you'll see a small ribbon-shaped icon. This is the bookmark control. If your sidebar is collapsed, you may need to expand it or hover over an item to reveal its full name and the icon. Click the ribbon icon next to any item you want to bookmark. When you do, the ribbon fills with color. That visual change is your confirmation that the item is now bookmarked. You can repeat this for as many items as you like. Dashboards you review daily, tools you troubleshoot with, or areas you're actively configuring. If you change your mind later, simply click the ribbon again to unmark it. The color will clear to show it's no longer bookmarked. To view everything you've bookmarked in one place, open the bookmark section inside Grafana. You'll find a dedicated page that lists all the items you've marked, grouped together for quick access. This list updates immediately as you add or remove bookmarks, so it always reflects your current priorities. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Bookmarks are personal to your account, so they won't affect other users. If you don't see the ribbon icon, make sure you have the right permissions and that you're looking at supported items in the sidebar. And if your instance uses a custom theme, the ribbon color may look different, but the filled state still indicates it's saved. That's it. Log in, find the ribbon beside each menu item, click to fill it, and then open the bookmarks page to see your curated list. Use this workflow to keep your most used areas one click away and streamline your day-to-day work in Grafana.